Do you want to know how to make money with Canva? The question is, do you want to make between $10 to $100 per day in Canva? If the answer is yes, then you want to watch this video, because in this video I'll show you exactly that. Now, I understand that you're probably new to online business and you want to know how to make some money, maybe for your girlfriend, maybe for your mother, or maybe you want to buy something for yourself, or you just want a source of income that is going to boost your other fast income. Making money online is not for a select few. It is for everybody, so long as you are ready to learn. So you don't have to think that making money online is for some select people in society. Anybody can learn and make money online. Now you only need willpower. Are you willing to learn and produce what you've learned, or use what you've learned to make money? If the answer is yes, then you are in on the business. Now you don't have to need to have any tech skills. You don't have to have any money up front. Neither do you have to have too much money so that you can make it online. It is so simple. That's what I'm going to show you, how to use Canva. Now, finally, in this video, I'll show you how you can have all you have learned from what I've learned from experts and gurus on how to best make money online, fast, using free tools like Canva. Now, stick to the end, because at the end, I'm going to help you. I'm going to give you a free tool that is going to help you learn more about how to make money online for free. Now, so first of all, let's just hop onto Canva and see how you can make money using Canva. Now, welcome to this video. I'm Manuel Noel Jr. and this is Optimized Digital Mastery. So first things first, just go to the link below. I have a link below, a link to Canva. Canva is a free tool that you can use to make money. And once you take that link, just copy it on your browser and it will bring you to this page. Now, once you're on this page, of course, this is Canva, is inviting you to Canva. Just sign in using Google, or sign in using Facebook, or you can sign with your email. Now, once you signed in, now you're going to be brought to this page on Canva. Okay, so once here, congratulations, you're on Canva already. Now, it's very simple. Now, Canva has so many things going on. Don't worry about this. If you want to know how to make money, it's so simple. And when you come here, these are all the things you can make on Canva. You can make resume. There's so many people asking for resumes. There's so many people asking for them to make invitation cards. Now, social media things probably is the biggest, because there's so many on Instagram and to make Instagram stories. You can do that on Canva for people. You can kind of make for them Instagram posts and send them. You can kind of make Facebook posts and send them. You can kind of make Facebook covers on Canva and send them. Remember, Canva is a click, drag and drop software, no writing codes, no nothing like that. It's just click, drag and drop. There are a lot of free templates that you can use all over to make those requests, like Facebook posts and Instagram posts and Instagram messages for you. You have YouTube thumbnails. There are so many things you can do using Canva. Now, so what you want to do to make money, first of all, you have to decide on at least 2 or 3 that you think you're good at, or you think you like. Let's say, for example, you like making Facebook posts and Instagram posts and maybe Twitter posts. Canva can give you all the free templates that you can use to make posts for people. Now I'm going to show you how you can get clients that you can make for them this post and earn money from them. But first of all, let's say you like to make Facebook posts. That's so simple. If you want to make Facebook posts and you like to make Facebook posts, you can just come here and click on Facebook, and then it'll give you Facebook post, and then you can just click on Facebook post like that, and then you just choose one of the templates here that you want and create the post that you want to create, depending on what the client has asked you for. Okay, so once you create that post, now the question is, probably create this post from somebody else, from on Fiverr. Now, next is you want to get clients who are going to help you. Once you've learned how to create this post, get clients who want this post. Now, it's very simple. Then jump to a second free website called Fiverr. Okay, I also have a link below. Just click on that link and go on to Fiverr. And now we are here on Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a free online website where sellers and buyers meet to exchange services. Okay, of course, the buyer, the seller is the person who has a service like you. You are now the seller. You want to sell, for example, creating Facebook post to buyers. There's so many buyers on Fiverr, and if you look at this, there's so many things that people are asking on Fiverr. All these things: logos, gaming, art and illustrations, packaging, all these things, and much more. People are asking on Fiverr, and Fiverr is a worldwide tool anybody can join for free. So once you logged into Fiverr using the link below, then you have to move to this top right corner on Fiverr where you have your logo or your name. You want to click on this, and then you want to scroll down to where it's written become a seller, because you're going to be a seller. Now you can also be a buyer, but in this case you're a seller because you want to make money online. So you click on become a seller there. And then once you're there, you want to you bring to this page, then click on become a seller again. Then it brings you here. Now it's going to tell you things that you need to do, and also there's a video here you can use that they help you to introduce you to how to become a seller. Then you're going to click on continue. Now here you're going to you're going to be told what makes a successful Fiverr profile. You have these things you're going to read to make sure that you make a successful profile. Then you click on continue again. Then you go on like that until you reach a point where, of course, they're going to ask you your details and stuff. And then once you set up your profile in order, now it's so simple now. So I'm not going to create my profile because I already have a profile. So once you have a profile in order, now it's time for you to get those clients. Now it's so simple. There's so many videos on YouTube you can learn on how to get clients on Fiverr. You can go on and learn them. In this video, what I wanted to capture is how to use Canva and Fiverr to make money. So of course, you're going to use Fiverr to get clients because you're a seller, and then you're going to use Canva to make for your clients the things they want, be it social media posts, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, YouTube channel ads, whatever, be it posters, flyers, infographics, education, whatever you want to make for them. Okay, even features here. If you want to make photos, icons, people are asking for all these things on Fiverr. And if you come on Fiverr, there's so many requests. All these are requests people are asking for. Digital marketing, all these are requests people are asking for. So don't fear, just log on to Canva using the link below, create an account, then log on to Fiverr, look for what the gig that you want to do, and then start watch videos on how to rank yourself to get these clients or get these gigs. And then you can use Canva. Canva is a free tool to create anything that you want and give people and make money out of it. Now, I hope you got value on how to use Canva, Canva and Fiverr to make. And if you have, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to notify you of any of our future videos. Now, again, please comment with one or thank you on the comments below, and I'll surely and happily reply back to your comment. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you use Canva and Fiverr to start making between $10 to $100 per day and add to your income. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.